Hello, this is Saju Kumar Saha, and I have another group member which is Hassan. Then I'll introduce myself already. Then I'll explore the slide 1 to 6, and rest of the slides my my friends will discuss about that. Enterprise security planning, analysis, and plan and procure documents for organizational planning. There are three planning organizational of the cyber security systems. Mission statement, security vision statement, alignment with the company's goals and values to safeguard open AI's technical advancement and intellectual property through the procedure security measures, ensuring data confidently integrity and availability while upholding ethics standards and protect stakeholder interests. Security vision statements. It always aims to to protect the company with a good security system. Then there is a lots of hacker around the world, so they try to always hack the company's information. So that's why they always try to capture it and without the while counting the artificial intelligence research and development drive without compromise, setting a standard of security complements and practice and it benefits humanity. Alignment, the security vision approach the AIS goals advancement AIS research by ensuring a secure environment for innovation, alignment and companies values priorities. Strategy and technical planning, strategy objectives and technical actions. Strategy objectives guide the development of security policies, procedure and initiatives, helping to set measurable targets and key performance indicators for security effectiveness. They ensure that security efforts are aligned with the industry best practice and regulatory requirements. Technical actions. The technical actions involve the day-to-day implementations of security controls and measurement, focusing on emitting the systems of the risks of invaluations. Information security department. There are three types of departments like oversight and governance, second is risk management, third one is security operations. The Information Security Department provides a strategy oversight and governance of open AI cybersecurity initiatives, ensuring the alignment of companies' goals and complements with the industries. Risk management. The department conducts ongoing risk assessments to identify alliance and the security threats, values, and other components. So security operations, the last one, the team manages the implement and maintenance of security in control, including access management, incidents of the monitoring the IT infrastructure. The number for the security information system department, business categorization functions of the info security department and organism and placement. Open AIS can be classified as a large enterprise due to its global presence, significance, technical advancement, subsequent impact on the AIS in AI industry, and functions of the information security systems department functions include the risk management, security operations, and security architecture complements and governance, incident response, security awareness, voluntary management, policy developments, audits and assessments. Organization, the information security management, the planning and of the chief technology officers and security program alignments. There are four types of elements: policies and procedure, technological training and awareness, and incident response. Policy and procedure develop a comprehensive security policy for technological issue, data handling, and access to control to establish a robust security framework. And the second is technological implement cybersecurity, like instruction of detection systems and in security and protect against cyber threats. Training and awareness, conduct regular security awareness training for employees on cyber security best practice to enhance the organization security posture. The last one, incident response. If anything incident, so they can respond very fastly. So rest of the slides, my friend will discuss. Mr. Hassan, thank you for the opportunity, sir. Yes, Hassan.
Okay, so further ahead we go to the information security personnel. These are Chief Information Security Officer, who is responsible for overseeing the organization's overall security strategy and developing and maintaining security policies, procedures, and standards, and then managing security situations. Then there is security architect. The security architect designs and implements security systems to protect the organization. There is security analyst. Security analyst monitors and analyzes security incidents, identifies threats and vulnerabilities, and performs forensic investigations. Further, there is setup program framework, setup program components, which is defined as security education, training, and awareness. Program include training modules, awareness campaigns, simulated phishing exercise, security workshops, and policy reviews to enhance security employees' security knowledge and foster a culture of security responsibility. Then there is program objectives. Set a program aims to increase employee awareness of cybersecurity risks, enhance the organization's overall security posture,